Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do menthol crystals help a cough? Menthol crystals, Carval capsules or similar, add to hot water to make steam inhalations for treating catarrh and dry or painful coughs. Vapor rub again, for steam inhalations. Also for use for children with page 2 stuffy noses or dry coughs. Rub on the chest or nose. Does menthol help with breathing? Menthol has been shown to reduce dyspnea in many respiratory conditions, 1 to 3. It is a naturally occurring cold receptor agonist that specifically activates the transient receptor potential melastatin 8, TRPM8, channel in the skin and mucous membranes, too. Is menthol good for chest infection? While there's no evidence that essential oils can help with bronchitis symptoms, some people find breathing steam spiked with menthol oil as especially soothing, Dr. Ford says. It doesn't necessarily work better than plain steam, but it can feel good. Are menthol crystals good for chest infection? Take a bowl of 1/3 cold water and 2/3 boiling water, add some menthol crystals or Friar's balsam and inhale the vapor. The moist air is soothing, especially last thing at night. It also helps make your phlegm less sticky and easier to cough up.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.